Parrots are the only animal on Earth capable of mimicking human speech perfectly, but some species, like the African gray, actually understand what they are saying. They have the intelligence of a 5-year-old child and can identify colors, shapes, and numbers. In the wild, parrot parents give their babies unique names, specific chirps, that the bird keeps for the rest of its life to identify itself to the flock. If you want to repeat after me, squawk that like button and subscribe for more colorful facts.